A fireplace holds a unique charm, evoking warmth, togetherness, and festive cheer. When paired with thoughtful decorations and an inviting atmosphere, it transforms into the heart of your holiday celebrations. A decorated fireplace offers a cozy centerpiece, while a carefully curated Christmas ambience ensures that your entire home radiates joy and comfort. Together, these elements create a haven where cherished memories are made. Let's explore how to merge fireplace decor and festive ambience seamlessly, crafting a celebration that's not just seen but felt. Your fireplace is more than a functional element, it's a canvas for festive expression and the focal point of your room. Start by envisioning your theme, whether it's rustic, modern, traditional, or whimsical. This choice will guide your decor. Begin with the mantel. Garlands are an essential feature, offering a lush and timeless look. Choose greenery, real or faux, woven with lights, beads, or floral accents. Drape it elegantly along the mantel or allow it to cascade down the sides for a dramatic effect. For added texture, mix in eucalyptus, berries, or pine cones. Next, elevate the mantel with layers of decor. Tall candlesticks, ceramic figurines, or lanterns can frame the display. Use varying heights to create depth, and let the centerpiece shine, whether it's a festive sign, a mirror adorned with string lights, or a grand wreath. Personal touches, such as family photos in holiday-themed frames or handmade ornaments, make the space feel uniquely yours. Don't forget the stockings, classic staples of fireplace decor. Select designs that reflect your theme, such as burlap for a rustic vibe or glittered velvet for something more glamorous. Add name tags or monogrammed initials for a personalized touch. Hanging oversized bells or ribbons alongside the stockings adds a playful yet elegant flair. The hearth below offers another opportunity for creativity. For a functional fireplace, neatly stacked birch logs provide a rustic charm, while a basket filled with cozy throws or pillows adds a touch of warmth. If your fireplace is non-functional, consider filling it with LED candles of varying heights, twinkling lights, or decorative logs wrapped in fairy lights. You can even create a whimsical display of wrapped gifts, poinsettias, or faux snow for a magical touch. Frame the fireplace with additional elements like small, potted Christmas trees, oversized ornaments, or vintage sleds. Even a simple wooden sign with a festive message can tie the entire space together. By focusing on layers, textures, and cohesive design, your fireplace becomes a captivating centerpiece. If these Christmas fireplace decor and ambience tips brought the holiday spirit to your home, give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends who want to create a cozy and festive atmosphere. While your fireplace takes center stage, the surrounding space enhances the festive feeling. The goal is to create an immersive experience that combines sight, sound, and scent. Start with lighting. Beyond the warm glow of the fire, layer in additional sources of illumination. Fairy lights draped along bookshelves, lanterns placed on side tables, and candles scattered across surfaces create a soft, inviting glow. For a magical effect, consider stringing lights across ceiling beams or wrapping them around nearby indoor plants. Scents play a pivotal role in setting the mood. Introduce aromas that evoke Christmas nostalgia, such as cinnamon, pine, or cloves. Use scented candles, essential oil diffusers, or simmering pots filled with citrus slices, cranberries, and spices to infuse the air with seasonal fragrances. Texture is another key component. Surround your fireplace with plush rugs, soft blankets, and oversized pillows in festive patterns or solid, rich colors like deep reds, greens, or metallics. Faux fur and chunky knits not only add warmth but also encourage relaxation, inviting everyone to gather around the fire. Decorate the space around the fireplace to enhance the atmosphere. A nearby coffee table can hold a tray of ornaments, candles, or even a small Christmas village. Hanging wreaths on adjacent walls, draping garlands along staircases, or setting up clusters of poinsettias provide cohesion throughout the room. Finally, don't overlook sound. Curate a playlist of soft instrumental Christmas music, classic carols, or even a crackling fire soundtrack. The addition of gentle music sets the tone, amplifying the inviting ambience you've created. How do you decorate your fireplace to create the perfect Christmas ambience? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear about your favorite decor ideas or cozy touches. While the fireplace is a natural gathering point, your Christmas ambience should flow seamlessly into the rest of your home. Start with the immediate surroundings, such as the seating area. Arrange furniture to encourage conversation, ensuring that everyone has a view of the beautifully decorated fireplace. Add side tables adorned with small holiday accents, such as snow globes, figurines, or scented potpourri bowls. In the dining area, extend the festive theme with table settings that mirror your living room decor. A centerpiece featuring candles, greenery, and ornaments ties the spaces together. You can also incorporate garlands along the backs of chairs or across buffet tables for a cohesive look. Hallways and entryways are perfect for spreading the festive mood. Consider hanging wreaths on doors, stringing lights along railings, or placing decorative lanterns along walkways. A small vignette of wrapped presents or a miniature Christmas tree at the entrance ensures that guests feel the holiday spirit as soon as they step inside. The sensory elements, lighting, scent, texture, and sound, should extend throughout. Use dimmable lights or candles to create soft, ambient lighting in every room. Place bowls of spiced potpourri or citrus arrangements in hallways and bathrooms. Finally, maintain your playlist of festive tunes throughout your home, ensuring that every space feels connected to the joyful ambience you've crafted. For more inspiration on creating a warm and magical Christmas atmosphere, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest festive videos. Your fireplace and the surrounding ambience aren't just decorative, they're the perfect backdrop for cherished holiday traditions. From storytelling to opening gifts, this space sets the stage for moments that will be remembered for years to come. Create a cozy storytelling nook by arranging comfortable seating with plush pillows and blankets. A basket filled with Christmas-themed books or classic tales ensures that children and adults alike can enjoy this tradition. Set up a dedicated gift-opening space near the fireplace. Arrange seating in a semicircle around the hearth, with a large rug for children to sit and play. Add a table for hot cocoa or cider to keep everyone warm as they enjoy the festivities. For intimate gatherings, consider hosting a fireside dinner or dessert. A small table set near the fireplace creates a romantic atmosphere, perfect for sharing stories and savoring treats. Use the mantel as a decorative backdrop, ensuring that it aligns with your theme and adds to the festive atmosphere. Finally, document these moments. The warm glow of the fire and the thoughtfully designed decor provide a stunning backdrop for photographs, ensuring that these memories are beautifully captured. Dive into our Christmas decor playlist for even more ideas to make your home shine this season, from mantel styling to lighting that enhances the holiday mood. A beautifully decorated fireplace paired with a carefully curated Christmas ambience creates a home that's not just festive but heartwarming. It's the space where traditions unfold, stories are shared, and connections deepen. Whether you're hosting family, entertaining friends, or simply enjoying a quiet evening by the fire, these thoughtful touches ensure that every moment feels magical. Imagine the sound of laughter echoing through the room, the gentle glow of lights reflecting off your carefully chosen decorations, and the cozy warmth that draws everyone together. This is the essence of the season, moments of joy, togetherness, and peace. As you sit by the fireplace with a cup of cocoa, take a moment to appreciate the beauty and serenity of the scene you've created. Every detail, from the garlands to the glowing candles, contributes to an atmosphere that is uniquely yours. Want to bring these fireplace and ambience ideas to life in your home? Check the description for links to the garlands, candles, and decor featured in today's video. The fireplace, with its flickering flames and thoughtful decorations, becomes a symbol of connection. It reminds us of the simple joys of life, being with loved ones, sharing stories, and embracing the present. Even as the season progresses and life gets busy, this space remains a constant, a sanctuary of warmth and happiness. It's where you can pause, reflect, and immerse yourself in the magic of the moment. From early mornings opening gifts to quiet evenings reading by the fire, the memories created here are priceless. This is where traditions are born and where the spirit of the season truly comes alive. Let your fireplace and the surrounding ambience serve as a reminder of the love, joy, and peace that Christmas represents. These touches, though simple, transform your home into a haven, a place where every moment feels special and every memory is worth cherishing.